7 Honeymoon Creative Ideas. Hey there, brides on a journey. Welcome back to the Wedding Love Journey, your wedding channel. So, let's dive right in. Today, we have a special treat in store for you. We're diving into the realm of romance and adventure with our top 7 creative ideas for a memorable and affordable honeymoon. But before we jump into our fantastic ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our upcoming wedding tips and tricks. We're here to help you plan your wedding journey without emptying your wallet. Alright, let's get started. We've scoured the globe to find unique and affordable honeymoon destinations and activities that will make your post-wedding getaway truly exceptional. From breathtaking sunsets on pristine shores to exploring hidden gems in bustling cities, we'll show you how to make the most of your honeymoon experience on any budget. So, if you're ready to embark on an incredible journey with your partner and create lifelong memories, then you've come to the right place. Our 7 creative ideas for a memorable and affordable honeymoon tips will provide you with inspiration and practicality for your perfect getaway. Get ready to fall in love all over again and discover how to make every moment count. Buckle up, lovebirds, because this is going to be an unforgettable adventure. Idea number 1, travel local. Instead of jetting off to faraway destinations, why not explore the beauty and charm of your own country? Not only will you save money on international flights, but you'll also discover hidden gems in your own backyard. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant cities, your country has so much to offer. Plus, you won't have to worry about waiting for visa approvals or dealing with the hassle of currency exchange. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk about timing. Idea number 2, travel during off-season. Planning your honeymoon during the peak season can be expensive and overcrowded. But if you're willing to be flexible with your dates, consider going during off-peak times. You'll not only enjoy more affordable prices but also experience a quieter and more intimate atmosphere. Imagine having secluded beaches, cozy restaurants, and serene landscapes all to yourselves. It's the perfect recipe for romance. Next up, idea number 3, book an Airbnb or vacation rental. While hotels can be luxurious, they can also be quite expensive. But fear not, lovebirds. There's an alternative that offers both affordability and uniqueness. Airbnb and vacation rentals provide a wide range of accommodations that suit any budget and style. Whether it's a cozy cabin in the woods or a stylish apartment in the heart of the city, you'll find a place that feels like your own little love nest. Plus, you can save money by cooking your own meals and immersing yourselves in the local culture. Now, let's get active with idea number 4, outdoor tours and activities. Who says romance has to be limited to candlelit dinners and sunset strolls? Get your adrenaline pumping and create unforgettable memories together. Go for a hike through breathtaking trails, have a romantic picnic in a scenic spot, or explore a new city on foot. Not only will you have a blast, but you'll also save money by enjoying the great outdoors. Attention, savvy travelers. Idea number 5 is all about maximizing your rewards. Did you know that credit card rewards and loyalty programs can help you save big on your honeymoon expenses? Take advantage of those accumulated miles and points to offset the cost of flights, accommodation, and even activities. It's like getting a little bonus gift for your wedding. So, start accumulating those rewards and make your dream honeymoon more affordable. For all the DIY enthusiasts out there, idea number 6 is tailor-made for you, DIY Honeymoon Tour. Planning your own honeymoon allows you the flexibility to create a trip that suits your budget, preferences, and style. From choosing budget-friendly accommodations to hand-picking activities that excite you the most, every detail is in your hands. You'll have the freedom to explore at your own pace, discover hidden gems. By customizing your itinerary, you can prioritize the activities and destinations that align with your budget and personal preferences. Want to splurge on a romantic dinner at a fancy restaurant? Go for it. Prefer to spend your days exploring local markets and interacting with the community? The choice is yours. DIY honeymoons not only give you control over your expenses but also allow for a more intimate and authentic experience that reflects your unique love story. You can take advantage of using our wedding honeymoon checklist in our printable wedding planner. You can get in the link below. Last but certainly not least, idea number 7. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Budgeting may not sound like the most romantic aspect of honeymoon planning, but trust me, it's a game changer. Sit down with your partner and have an open discussion about your financial goals and limitations. Determine how much you're comfortable spending on your honeymoon and break it down into categories like accommodation, transportation, food, and activities. Then, create a budgeting journal, like our free budgeting file in our wedding planner. Track your expenses and make sure you stay within your limits. Remember, the key to a stress-free honeymoon is financial harmony. So, there you have it, 7 creative ideas for a memorable and affordable honeymoon that will sweep you off your feet without emptying your pockets. To summarize, here are the 7 creative honeymoon ideas. Travel local. Travel during off-season. Book an Airbnb or vacation rental. Outdoor tours and activities. Maximize rewards. DIY your own honeymoon tour. And lastly, stick to your budget. Remember, dreams don't have to come with a hefty price tag. Let's make your honeymoon the beginning of a lifetime of incredible journeys. You can check out wedding tools you can use in link below. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your own amazing honeymoon experiences with us in the comments section below. Subscribe for Wedding Love Journey for more wedding tips and tricks. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep chasing those unforgettable memories. Cheers.